talk about the specifications for this particular wig. So I've already flipped it inside out. We have at the nape of the wig, we have a comb here. We also have the adjustable band that you see here. We also have combs located on the right and left sides of the particular wig here. There are combs this size. And for added security, we have the elastic band that's included in this wig as well. So again, on the inside, the construction, we have the hand-tied lace parting here that's included in the wig. So again, we have a total of 3 combs, the adjustable band, and the elastic band for added security. Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. As you can tell by the name that's listed or the title of this video, I will be reviewing for you today a wig by Outre line, and the name of this particular unit is called Delania. And I am wearing for you the dark caramel color. As one of my viewers suggested, wearing different colors, I'm enjoying my colors. Let me come up close so that you can actually get a view of that rich, dark caramel color. It's beautiful. Just to give you an idea of some of the particulars for this wig. So it says it's made with premium synthetic fiber, so it can actually hold up to about 400 degrees of heat if you needed to put heat to it. It does have that pre-plucked hand-tied parting that I showed you earlier when I did the specifications. It does have that breathable cap. Lately, I've noticed the breathable caps, they're very lightweight. So your hair is able to get air underneath the unit. And it has that elastic band as well. So that is some of the information about this particular wig. I love the color, you guys. I really do. Let me do a 360 so that you can see all sides of the wig. So there you have it. This wig is also kind of asymmetrical in cut. So one side is longer than the other. It is a everyday wig too. The daily wigs from Outre, you're able to simply put the wig on and then you're out the door. And I always say that I like that. I like the fact that you don't have to spend so much time curling it. It already comes that way. That's what I like about the synthetic wigs, that I don't have to spend so much time making it look great. As always, I will put the information in the description box where I purchased this wig along with the different colors. So it does come in our standard colors, you know, 1Bs, the 2s, but it comes in like a ginger brown, the dark caramel that I'm wearing now. They also have a beautiful chocolate swirl color, and then the dark root sandy blonde, and then there's a red velvet that you can purchase this wig in as well. So try it out. I think you will enjoy it. Again, I don't do too much with the wigs because, well, you don't need to. But there are other wonderful YouTubers out there who spend time, you know, putting the baby hairs and all of that. I don't do that here on this channel. I just want to give you an idea of what the wig will actually look like. So join me next time for another wig review on next week. But until we see each other next week, I want you to promise to take care of each other and yourself.